Hey friendlies, how you doing? Before I get into today's video, I wanted to shoot a little introduction for it because it's not going to be your typical RV living or even your typical RV living travel video. When I visited Selma, Alabama a while ago, I guess about a month ago now, I really didn't know that this is the video that I would be making about my visit there. And it evolved as I edited it. And so I just wanted to give you a heads up that this video is not about RV living. So if that's what you're watching my videos and my channel for, you might just want to go ahead and skip this video. This video is about the history of Selma, Alabama, and the history of civil rights and my take on it and what came up for me. As I said, as I created this video, and I've been working on it for a couple of weeks now, I noticed my feelings about it and the things that I saw really started coming out in the video. My intent is not in any way to offend anyone. There is some troubling, in my opinion, some troubling footage in this video, and it might be uncomfortable for some. For me, it was just what I saw. And I'm sure it's going to create some controversy, and really that wasn't my intent. I really just wanted to show the parallels that I saw, and that's what this video ended up being. And so here it is for you. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you all next time.
It'll be detrimental to your safety to continue this march, and I'm saying that this is an unlawful assembly. You're to disperse. You're ordered to disperse, go home, or go to your church. This march will not continue. Troopers here advance toward the group. See that they turn around and disperse.
We have no alternative but to keep moving with determination. We've gone too far now to turn back. And in a real sense, we are moving and we cannot afford to stop because Alabama and because our nation has a date with destiny.
Welcome to Selma, Alabama. I've been parked outside here for a few days, camped at a campground, Army Corps of Engineer campground, and just drove through the business loop of Highway 80 it is. And when I came in, I had gone through the truck route, and today I'm going through the business route. And wow, there is a lot of history here and a lot of really cool old buildings and stuff. So as I wander around today, I'm taking you with me, and I'll show you some of the history of the town. Of course, we're in the deep south, and seeing some emancipation, slavery, history, voting rights acts and things like that, which fascinate me a lot. You know, history already fascinates me, but I took a course in college about, I can't remember, race relations or something like that. So also just another topic that really fascinates me, and how we all get along in this wonderful country of ours, and or how we're all struggling to get along. And so just another piece of fascinating history for me to explore, and I'll take you with me because I know a lot of you enjoy it as well. So let's go.
Hey, we're in the middle of a revolution because I see the face of things to come. Yes, I do. Oh, your Constitution, where friend, it's gonna have to bend. I'm here to tell you about.
Last Sunday, more than 8,000 of us started on a mighty walk from Selma, Alabama. Our bodies are tired. Our feet are somewhat sore. But today, as I stand before you and think back over that great march, I can say, as Sister Pollock said, a 70-year-old Negro woman who lived in this community during the bus part and one day she was asked while walking if she didn't want to ride, and when she answered no, the person said, well, aren't you tired? With her ungrammatical profundity, she said, my feet is tired, but my soul is resting. That's right. And in a real sense this afternoon, we can say that our feet are tired, but our souls are resting.
I'm here to tell you about the destruction of all the evil. It will have to end. It's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right.
And to all the freedom-loving people who have assembled here this afternoon from all over our nation and from all over the world.
What the heck is covered up there? What does that say? This says, defying threats of death, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. led 400 black and white Americans on the longest, largest, most dramatic. Look at that. Oh, I wonder if it said and deadly. And it's not the most deadly? What do you think that said? March of his 13-year career. I want to know what that said. I want to peel it off. Look underneath.
Last Sunday, more than 8,000 of us started on a mighty walk from Selma, Alabama. We have walked through desolate valleys and across trying hills. We have walked on meandering highways and rested our bodies on rocky byways. Some of our faces are burned from the outpourings of the sweltering sun. Some have literally stepped in the mud. They have been drenched by the rain.
It's not as simple as talking down the daily struggle just to stay alive.
He worked hard for voters' rights and invited Martin Luther King to help lead Selma's voting rights protests. Reese and 600 other marchers were brutally attacked and beaten and tear-gassed while they marched over the Edmund Pettus Bridge in Selma. On March 21st, 1965, more than 50,000 people marched from Selma to Montgomery. He marched hand in hand with King, which caused Lyndon B. Johnson to sign the Voting Rights Act. I marched so that everyone, despite of color, could become a first-class citizen. I'm getting kind of the same feeling when I visited Dachau in Germany, the Holocaust concentration camp. So, born in Savannah, Georgia, she was an activist at an early age. She worked to register black voters beginning in the 30s in Selma. She was key in helping Americans obtain the right to vote. She helped organize a march from Selma to Montgomery on March 7th, 1965. The march became known as a Bloody Sunday, when they were beaten, tear-gassed, terrorized by county and state police. She was beaten unconscious. The event awoke the conscience of America. Be unconscious because they wanted to vote. What a hero. Okay, I think this is including tour of Selma, Alabama. Wow. I'm so glad I stopped. Oh, this is just fascinating part of our history. Fascinating, another sad, poignant, hope we don't forget part of our history. 1965. Barely, is that a generation, 2 generation? What's a generation considered? I don't know. It was before I was born. So, not that long ago. Not long ago at all. And we are still fighting many of those battles.
Deep down in our nonviolent creed is the conviction. There are some things so dear, some things so precious, some things so eternally true that they're worth dying for. And if a man happens to be 36 years old, as I happen to be, and some great truth stands before the door of his life, some great opportunity to stand up for that which is right, he's afraid his home will get bombed, or he's afraid that he will lose his job, or he's afraid that he will get shot or beat down by state troopers. He may go on and live until he's 80. But he's just as dead at 36 as he would be at cessation of breathing in his life is merely the belated announcement of an earlier death of the spirit. He died. A man dies when he refuses to stand up for that which is right. A man dies when he refuses to stand up for justice. A man dies when he refuses to take a stand for that which is true. So we're going to stand up right here amid horses. We're going to stand up right here in Alabama amid the billy clubs. We're going to stand up right here in Alabama amid police dogs if they have them. We're going to stand up amid tear gas. We're going to stand up amid anything that they can muster up, letting the world know that we are determined to be free.
The only way that we can stand in fact is when they get their foot off our back. We'll be all right.
They told us we wouldn't get here. There were those who said that we would get here only over their dead bodies. Well, all the world today knows that we are here and we are standing before the forces of power in the state of Alabama saying we ain't gonna let nobody turn us around.